So this was our hotel for the week, the Savoy Palace Hotel in Riva Del Garda. Let me start by showing you some of the views from our balcony and around the hotel. It is just stunning. Before I show you our room, I'll just show you once again our fabulous balcony. We booked a twin balcony room, but were lucky enough to be surprised with an upgrade to a family room. It was lovely having so much space, plus of course, if I haven't mentioned it before, a huge balcony. The bottles in the minibar did come with a charge, but it was quite reasonable. It was a lovely extra to get the slippers and bathrobes to use in the room, plus there was a pool towel. For the two of us, there was plenty of storage space. The bathroom was a nice size and the shower was okay. We didn't use the complimentary toiletries, but they were a nice touch. Before I show you a bit more of the hotel, I'll just indulge with some evening views from the balcony. The outdoor pool had a zero entry and was lovely and warm. There were also plenty of sunbeds when we went to the pool, undercover tables and chairs, a large hot tub, plus a snack bar, which made some extremely strong cocktails. We didn't use it, but there was also an indoor heated pool. The restaurant was the venue for our buffet breakfast each day and then our evening meal. Hot drinks and juice were free with breakfast, but all drinks were added to your bill with the evening meal. As we were half-board guests, we had the same table every day. To be honest, I prefer a different view every day, but that's just me. At breakfast, our evening menu was on the table with a pen, and we were required to choose what we would like to eat for our evening meal. Each night there was a huge buffet before the 3-course meal. Lastly, around a few other parts of the hotel, including some sofas under cover near where the coaches pick you up from, and some nearby restaurants, although we didn't actually try these ones. The hotel is situated at the northern end of Lake Garda, in the town of Riva Del Garda. To get to the lake from the hotel takes about 5 minutes. To get to the ferry area of Riva Del Garda takes about 20 minutes to walk from the hotel. Somewhere else to visit while staying at the Savoy Palace Hotel is the town of Limone. We caught the ferry from Riva Del Garda, but equally there is a bus or you could drive. beautiful town in the northern part of Lake Garda is Malcesine. Again, we caught the ferry here from Riva Del Garda, but you could get a bus or drive. Lake Garda is the largest lake in Italy and is magnificent, surrounded by beautiful towns, stunning mountains, enjoyed by the swimmers and used by a wonderful array of water sports. Also, while staying at the Savoy Palace, we went on an excursion to the spectacular Dolomites. We booked this through TUI, our UK travel agent, but there were many excursions advertised on the board in the hotel's reception. We also went to the unique islands of Venice from the hotel. This was also through TUI. There are separate videos for all the locations visited if you would like to see more about them. Make sure you have subscribed and have pressed the notification bell so you get notified of all our new videos. Thank you for watching.